Jai Jagannath everyone. Welcome to Career Ummeed. I wish all of you stay healthy and happy. Today we learn the concept about matrix. What is matrix? Type of matrix. So matrix algebra में first है matrix. What is matrix? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of elements. Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of elements, means it arranged in a rectangular form. It is arranged in certain rows and columns, and the arrangement is in rows and columns. And the rows and columns must be enclosed within pair of square brackets. The rows and columns must be enclosed within square brackets. So the examples of matrix are this one 3x2 matrix, this is 2x2 matrix, and this is single matrix. So here row matrix. Here is the row and column, 3 row, number of rows है 3, number of column है 3. Here number of rows है 2, number of column है 2. So and in this case only one row, so it is a row matrix. Then what is the order of matrix? जो 3x3 मैट्रिक्स है, 2x2 मैट्रिक्स है, या 2x3 मैट्रिक्स है, या 3x2 मैट्रिक्स है. So what are these matrices? So order of matrix. If matrix has m number of rows, that means how many number of rows are in the matrix and how many columns are present in a matrix, the multiplication, the product of number of rows and with the number of columns is called as the order of the matrix. So if m is the number of rows and n is the number of columns, then the order of the matrix is m cross n. That means the product of m and n is the order of matrix. Example, यहाँ पर 157 and 249. So the number of rows है 2 and number of column है 3. So this is a 2x3 matrix. Then what is transpose of matrix? ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स क्या है? मैट्रिक्स है, अगर हम मैट्रिक्स ए को लिखेंगे ए, तो उसका ट्रांसपोज को हम डिनोट करेंगे एज ए टी और ए ट्रांसपोज. द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स ए डिनोट्स एज ए डैश और ए टी. A dash or a T is another matrix which is obtained by changing rows and columns. By changing rows versus column, means rows column कर लेंगे, column को rows कर लेंगे, तो होगा उसका inverse with corresponding column rows. Here the example is A है, matrix का element है 157 and 249. This is a 2x3 matrix. इसका ट्रांसपोज होगा क्या? 3x2 मैट्रिक्स, उल्टा इनवर्स होगा. 157 as the first row element of the first row, so here the element of the first column, and 249 are the elements of the second row, and here the element of the second column. If that means if the order of a matrix is m cross n, then the order of a transpose होगा क्या? n cross n. There are different types of matrix. Different matrix. First है row matrix. हमारा row matrix है. Row matrix means only one row present. In case of row matrix, the number of row is 1 irrespective of number of column which has one row. Example है 1 2 3 4 5. This is a 1 plus 5 matrix. So 1 row 5 column, 1 into 5, 1 3 5, 1 into 1 plus 3 matrix. A B है, यहाँ पर 2 elements, so 1 क्रॉस टू मैट्रिक्स। कॉलम मैट्रिक्स, रो मैट्रिक्स में रो का नंबर 1 है, कॉलम मैट्रिक्स में कॉलम का नंबर 1 होगा। सो इन केस ऑफ कॉलम मैट्रिक्स द नंबर ऑफ कॉलम होगा 1 irrespective of number of rows. So how many rows present, there is no matter, but in column matrix only one column present, one column. So order क्या होगा, order में column का order 1 है और बाकी आप रो को जितना है नंबर वो does not matter. So this is a 3 cross 1 matrix. This is 4 cross 1 matrix. This is 5 cross 1 matrix. 5 एलिमेंट है, 5 रोज है, यहाँ पर कॉलम एक है। So थर्ड नंबर है स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स। स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स रोज जितना है कॉलम उतना है, तो कॉलम एंड रोज इक्वल है। The matrix which has equal number of rows and columns called as square matrix. जैसे कि if rows m होगा and column m हम लेते हैं ना, n लेते हैं, एक को m लेते हैं तो m plus n उसका मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर होता है। यहाँ पर m is equal to n means rows is equal to column. So in rectangular matrix, square matrix है, अभी rectangular matrix, the matrix which has different number of rows and columns called as rectangular matrix. Different rows and column होगा, जैसे पास्ट वाला हम एग्जाम्पल लिए थे वैसे ही 3 cross 2 matrix, 2 cross 3 matrix जैसे। Lower triangular matrix. So lower triangular matrix क्या है? A triangular matrix is said to be lower triangular matrix if all the elements above the main diagonal is 0. All the elements above the main diagonal. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix and this is the diagonal. Above the diagonal, all the elements are 0 in case of lower triangular matrix. So here 0, 0, 0. These 3 elements are 0. लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स है, अभी अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स। तो व्हाट इज अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स? मैट्रिक्स इज सेड टू बी अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स इफ ऑल द एलिमेंट्स बिलो द मेन डायगोनल, बिलो द मेन डायगोनल a11, a22, a33, दिस इज द डायगोनल एलिमेंट। सो इसका नीचे जो एलिमेंट है हमारा a12, a13, a23, जो एलिमेंट है दिस एलिमेंट्स आर 0 if all the elements below the main diagonal is 0, below the main diagonal, lower main to below the diagonal. Then triangular or diagonal matrix. So what is triangular or diagonal matrix? It is a square matrix with elements above or below the main diagonal, above or below the main diagonal. Only the element of diagonals are present or other elements above or below the diagonals are 0. So it is a square matrix with elements above or below the main diagonal that are 0, that is called as triangular or diagonal matrix. In other words, it is a matrix whose diagonal elements are non-zero but rest elements are 0. So only the diagonal elements are non-zero and other elements above the diagonal, below the diagonal, all elements are 0. Then scalar matrix. What is scalar matrix? It is a square matrix with all diagonal elements equal to each other and all off-diagonal elements equal to 0. So A11, A22, A33, the elements are equal. A11 अगर 3 है तो A22 भी 3 है, A33 भी 3 है। जो था ना हमारा A is equal to B, B is equal to C, so A is equal to C. So here A11 is equal to A22, A22 is equal to A33. So A11 is equal to A22 is equal to A33. The diagonal elements are equal and the other elements above the diagonal and below the diagonal are 0. Then unit or identity matrix क्या है? It is a square matrix whose all the elements of main diagonal are 1 and rest are 0. So here in case of unit or identity matrix, this is a 2 cross 2 matrix and this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. In this case, the diagonal is A11 and A22. The elements are same and here 1 है. सेम तो था हमारा स्केलर मैट्रिक्स में 1 होगा, यूनिट है ना तो 1 होगा. A11 is 1, A22 भी 1. यहाँ पर 3 cross 3 मैट्रिक्स है. So here A11 is 1, A22 is 1 and A33 भी also 1. That means जो एलिमेंट है डायगोनल एलिमेंट वो है 1. बाकी एलिमेंट above the diagonal and below the diagonal are 0. So this is unit or identity matrix. Here the other matrix is a null matrix or zero matrix. In zero or null matrix, the matrix whose all the elements are 0 called as null or zero matrix. It is either 2 cross 2 matrix or 3 cross 2 matrix, but all the elements not above, not below the diagonal or diagonal, all the elements are 0. A null matrix may be square or a rectangular. Null matrix square में हो सकता है और rectangular में भी हो सकता है. Singular matrix क्या है? The other form of matrix, a square matrix, A is said to be singular if its determinant वैल्यू इज 0. डिटरमिनेंट हम निकालते हैं ना, यहाँ पर है एक एग्जाम्पल है. तो 6, 3, 4, 2 आर द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स एंड डिटरमिनेंट क्या होगा? 6 into 2 होगा क्या? 6 into 2 minus 4 into 3 तो हुआ 12 minus 12. द डिटरमिनेंट इज 0. So the determinant of the given matrix is 0 as the determinant is 0, so it is a singular matrix. Then non-singular matrix means 0 नहीं होगा. So a square matrix is said to be non-singular if its determinant value is not equal to 0. Here an example is 7, 5 and 3, 5 are the elements and the determinant 7 into 5 minus 3 into 5 हुआ 35 minus 15 20 निकला. तो not equal to 0 है यहाँ पर. So it is a non-singular matrix. So these are the various types of matrix. First the concept about the matrix. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.